Are you looking for bite-sized videos when it comes to topics like WordPress and blogging? If yes, then Blogging Unplugged Clips is for you. Hello guys, I'm Jasmeet, and on this channel I will be sharing clips from my main channel Blogging Unplugged almost every single day. Now if you are into bite-sized informational content, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. And with that said, let's dive into the video. Now after the new Stripe button widget, the next set of changes that have been released in Elementor Pro 3.7 is for the product widget. Now the first change that we are going to discuss is the introduction of new queries in the product widget, and these are related products, upsells and cross sells. Okay, now to showcase you this change, what I have done is I have created two posts, one in Elementor 3.7 which is this one, and the other one in Elementor Pro 3.6 which is this one. So let's first edit this post and see if it existed in Elementor Pro 3.6. We are in the Elementor dashboard, Elementor editor. Let's just click WooCommerce right over here, add this product widget, go to the queries section. Under the source, you can see there is no related products, upsell or the cross selling query option available here. Now let's edit this post in Elementor. Go to the WooCommerce section, add the products, go to the query tab and see there is the related products, the upsells and the cross sells. Let me take you back to the Elementor 3.6 widget, Elementor 3.6 tab, and you can see these don't exist. No related upsells or cross sells queries under source. Okay, you can see again related upsells and cross sells, these don't exist right over here. Now what this means for you is now you can use the product widget as the related product widget or upsells or the cross sells. You do not need individual widgets for these. Now again, it is important to know if you are using those widgets, then you can continue to use them. Those will still behave the same way, but this is a new way of basically using the product widget. So this is the first change. Now I hope you have found this video helpful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell. In case you have any queries, feel free to comment down below and I will try and help. Also, the links to our socials are in the description box below. Make sure to follow us on other platforms as well. And with that said, thank you for watching and I will see you in the next video.